Initially, I just treated it as a rumor which I could dismiss. I didn't believe that a man who was otherwise very healthy looking could be the subject of death born out of a heart attack or a cardiac arrest for that matter. So initially my reaction was, this is not true. And then subsequently when I got a text message from Kofi Ansah telling me that it appeared it was true, then I was completely devastated. I was driving at the time, I was in utter shock and dismay. I didn't know how to react. I broke down in tears, and what I was going to do, my thought was, I wouldn't be able to do it anymore. So I just had to do a turnaround and get back to the house. It was very difficult to handle, very difficult to deal with. I mean, for someone who has held such a great deal of influence in the lives of some of us, I mean, with whom we had very close contacts growing up as a journalist, who served as an elder brother, regularly gave you words of motivation, gave you tips, guidance and direction as to how you could improve your game as a journalist. It was completely unbelievable. And the world, for some of us, as far as journalism is concerned, will never be the same again, because the icon who you looked up to provide you with the driving force to go ahead in everything you were doing is no more.